Alright, here's the next two things. So, these actually are set because I know what they are. So, unlike most things, I buy a lot of stuff that I don't ever need right away. This is one of them. And this is the other part I just bought that goes together to make a set. So this part here I bought in 2017. This part came in a month or so back. There's a date on it someplace. They don't do dates anymore? They must do dates somewhere. Oh, there it is, 22. 12/22. Hey, that'd be this year. Okay, so this front brake cable for old Harley Springer. So this has the old cotton black material on it. This isn't a military wrapping because it's got cosmoline in it. There actually is a part number label right here saying U.S. government with the part number and a bunch of other crap right on that. That I'm sure you can't read at all, but it's there. Light went away. Alright, so anyway, these are brand new. World War II. That is last week sometime, not sure. That's from 42 to 22. That'd be 80 years? Yeah. So this is 80 years old. So this is in cosmoline wrapped in onion paper. And that's how they made things back then. So it's like brand new, well protected. It has a Zerk fitting on here. This is Parkerized, so it's still got the scratches in there when they put it together. This is basically a Zerk fitting before they had Zerk fittings. So it's a different design. So anyway, these go for mega bucks. These sell for many hundreds of dollars. Because people restore their bikes like me that want original parts. We like this shit. Alright, so this is the nice new condition that's 80 years old. Alright, so I bought this back in 17. So this should be the inner wire for it. I can feel it's flexible, about that big around. So I'm pretty sure that's what this is. Don't poke yourself in your pocket now. Yep, that's what it is. So there we go. These are the inner cables for the front brake. So these are it's a cable, it's braided steel. Pretty small diameter, so they stretch a lot when you pull on them. 76 thousandths. Never measured one before. So anyway, these go inside of these. So it goes in there like that. Make a big roll, it comes out the other side. So surprisingly, this is harder to find than this. Because these are usually not wrapped up and they're usually pretty bad. You can tell these are original because they still have this kind of yellowish white coating on them. And I don't know what that material is, it's some kind of paint or something, but this is on the outside of the cable, it goes in the lever. So this is exposed to the atmosphere, so they put a coating on it to help protect it. The rest of this goes obviously inside of your housing here with lubricant, so this has a little light layer of cosmoline on it also, but pretty thin. But anyway, these are hard to come by. And I'm interrupted. We'll be back. Alright, we're back. More interruptions. Okay, I left off on the front brake cable here. So, anyway, these fit 1928 through all the springers, which went up to 57. Not wide glide, springers. The wide glide has a bigger diameter cable. So that's what these fit. And the front brake cables are all the same length. The spark internal handlebar stuff has the same material, but they do not have the Zerk fitting on here. This came out in 39 as I recall. And they're different, like the cables are going to be shorter and a little bit different. And instead of running the cable like this, they have piano wire, solid piece of wire on the spark, so you can push and pull. The brake cable is a pull only, so it has a cable on it. So don't mix up your parts. These are all cut to length, but they should be relatively close. So it takes both of these to make a unit. And if you got both together, it's a good day for you if you want it. Alright, that's it for that one.